Right, my last little platform game here. I want to have some coins that I can run around and collect and get a score from doing that. So I'm just going to add some coin sprites. So right here, just a circle I think, and fillet, and guess polygon shape. That'll do nicely. So nice big coin. Always important to very important to name things properly. Don't just call them sprite 2, 3, whatever. And what I'm just going to do is a control click, and control click, and just put a few around here and there. Okay, so the things that I want to happen, firstly, when the player touches a coin, so on collision with another object, coin, okay, so player on collision with coin, the thing that I want to happen is the coin gets destroyed, so coin destroy is somewhere down here, so I'm having some mouse problems here, okay, so coin destroy. Let's see if that works. Shall we run that layout? Just run over there and yep, my coins are destroying. I want a score though, so let's make a score happen. First thing is I need a variable, so right click, add global variable, name score, initial value 0, that's good. So up here you can see we've got a global score equals 0. So we can have as many variables as we want. They just store values that we're going to keep and modify and look at through the game. So the action that I'm going to do here is under System, Global and Local Variables section, add to, and what I'm going to do is add to the score 1. So add 1 to score, that makes a lot of sense. The only problem is I won't be able to see that happening, so right here I'm going to add a text label, and we're just going to update that text label with the score when we need to. So I'm going to just call it txt score, and just change the text that's initially displayed to the word score. That's cool. So over in the event sheet, the last action I'm going to add is the text score. We're going to set the text, and we can set the value. I mean, you can put whatever you want in here, but if I just start typing score, you can see it actually shows me the variable. So instead of putting the word score, it's going to put the value that is stored in the score variable. So in theory that should probably work. Let's try it. So score, so not working. I've got a feeling I know why that is. Let's just hop back into here. This has crept into it. I did this before. I think it was from some other stuff. So if I just run that again, try that once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, yay. So that's actually working perfectly. One thing that is slightly annoying is that the score sticks over here on the layout, and as my player moves around, I can't see the score anymore. So a little extra bonus trick here was we're going to put a new layer in place. So over here, projects layers, I'm going to add a layer. Layer 1 is going to be renamed as head up display, HUD. And the score I'm going to put onto the HUD. And the clever little bit is the HUD over here, parallax I set to 0, 0. And what that means is while my layer that I'm playing on keeps moving around, the layer with the score will actually just be in one place. So I think I'm happy with that. Let's just check. Yep, so let's try that, run it again, and yeah, the actual score is staying. I just need to slightly modify that position. I think it would actually make sense if it was right up at the top. You know what would actually also make sense? If I just put in another little bit of text, and I just put right in front of it the word score. So it says score, score when I start, which I'm happy with. And this also needs to be on the HUD layer. wonder if this will work. Score 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So you can see how that works. Done, I reckon, for now.